The Edo Association of Community Pharmacists in Nigeria (ACPN) held its much-anticipated annual summit for 2024, focusing on the theme Product Presence and Value-Based Pharmaceutical Services, Finding Balance for an Effective Community Pharmacy Practice. The event saw a gathering of pharmacists from across the state dedicated to advancing the field of community pharmacy. The chairman of the Community Pharmacists in Edo State emphasized the association's commitment to training competent pharmacists capable of delivering value-based services.
The theme of this year's event, Product Presence and Value-Based Community Pharmacy Services, was chosen carefully in order to stimulate a mindset shift amongst pharmacists in order to refocus their efforts towards providing value-based services as well as sustaining the traditional responsibilities of providing access to essential medicines, which is the key roles and responsibility of the pharmacist and particularly the community.
Other pharmacists had this to say.
We should have very beautiful deliberations, hoping that the community arising from this deliberation will form a standard for engagement with policymakers, governments, NGOs, and this larger society on form a template for solution that will bedevil community pharmacists in this regard.
I know you cannot be in everywhere at the same time, but sir, if you get elected as the executive governor of this state, help us in the area of infrastructure to make sure Edo becomes the state of our dream.
A highlight of the summit was the attendance of the Edo PDP governorship candidate, Dr. Aso Ighodalo, who was a special guest accompanied by his deputy, Osarodion Ogie Esquire. Dr. Ighodalo addressed the attendees, expressing his and his deputy's commitment to serving the people of Edo State, stating that Edo State is rich in resources and potential, and their vision is to harness this richness and further strengthen every sector, particularly focusing on the well-being of the people, health, agriculture, and the environment. Dr. Ighodalo outlined his plan for a holistic approach to governance, emphasizing a commitment to improving health services among other critical areas. He assured the audience that his administration would prioritize the welfare of Edo residents and work tirelessly to enhance the state's prosperity.
But it's a good occasion and it's a very good opportunity to speak a bit about why we have stepped forward, Osarodion Ogie and myself, to, by the grace of God Almighty and the goodwill of the people of Edo State, present ourselves for office and hope that the good people of Edo State will find us worthy to become the next governor and deputy governor of the state after the current governor, Godwin Obaseki. Before I talk about us and what we hope we will do for the good people of the state, I just wanted to talk, and as we were coming in, I was talking to a number of your officials. I wanted to talk about the issue of fake drugs. And I wanted to say that I know the hard work that your society and your organization is doing as regards fake drugs. But I'm asking, I'm praying and hoping that you will continue to do a lot more work in this area. Fake drugs has been a bane for a long time. It has been affecting the lives of a number of our people. And I think those of you that are the true practitioners in this area should please continue working hard to help eliminate this scourge. It is something that we must really get rid of. It's affecting and killing too many of our people. So I just wanted to put that out there. I know there's a lot of work you're doing in this area, working with government officials, working with the agencies, but I still think that we need to do a lot more.
The summit was not only informative, but also entertaining, featuring various performances that added a festive atmosphere to the event. A sensational rendition from a live band was particularly well received, contributing to the summit's success and enjoyment. As the ACPN continues its efforts to elevate community pharmacy practice in Edo State, this year's summit served as a testament to the association's dedication and the promising future of the pharmaceutical services in the region. Irene Ejoba, PFM TV News.